Hello family, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making samosa. I'll be using the wrap and all these vegetables. I'm also using turkey minced meat. Okay, nobody said we must use chicken, so I started by stir frying all my vegetables. I like to do it this way so that the vegetables don't come out bland in my sauces. So I used bell peppers and also cabbage. So I'll stir fry, add seasonings, add salt and a little bit of curry for flavor and for appearance. Just fry and take it off the heat. Maybe fry for like 5 to 7 minutes, take it off the heat. So the next, I put my turkey minced in the pot and I also will stir fry. So you can see I'm stir frying. So I'll stir fry, add some salt, some seasoning, and please be careful with your salt because you know the vegetables already have salt. Okay. So I'm going to fry until it is brown. You see that water will dry up, then I know it is cooked. So optional, I added pepper, which is very optional. You know I like pepper, so you can add fresh or you can add dried pepper. So I fried and also added curry just for appearance, and finally added my veggies and fried for 2 minutes and I took it off the heat. So I'm using this spring roll wrap. Yeah, so I'm using this wrap because I was too lazy to make wrap. So I started by tearing them out, so it's going to be easy. So lay it down and then put the portions that you want. Nobody said it must be small, so just make it the size that you want. It could be big, it could be small. And I know that this wrap is sold like everywhere. So if you don't know how to make wrap, there's a tutorial in my video on how to make wrap, and I know it's also on the YouTube channel. So I folded very well. Make it tight. If you're folding, it's very important you fold very well and make it tight. And I use corn flour celery. Corn flour is just a mixture of water and corn flour, so you can see it. I use it to seal off the edges. Yeah, seal it up very well so that it doesn't leak out or fall out, because it's very bad when it does fall out. So I'll repeat the same process for you to see. Scoop in as much as you want. It all depends on you. Nobody said samosa must be small or this thing must be small. Just make your wrap the way you want. Remember, it's a recipe. Okay, anybody that doesn't like it, the person can zoom out. All right, it's your recipe, you enjoy it, so make it the way that you like it. Okay, so that is just it. As far as you use the standard measures and the standard procedure, so seal it up and it is ready to fry. So you can see the number I made quite a large number. I'm going to store some in the fridge bag and refrigerate, and it can stay up to 2 months if it's in your freezer. Yeah, so this will go into my freezer, and this is basically for breakfast in the mornings when we'll have to have breakfast and you on the go. And I'm going to fry the other one. So heat up your oil, put it in the pan and toss it around for some time. Shake, turn, and voila, it is ready. So don't be like me, I almost forgot it. And before I came, it almost got burnt, but it is still okay, it's still fine. So you can see the end results. What do you think about it? If you watched up to this extent, please give this video a like, a thumbs up, and please subscribe. Okay, subscribe now, please don't watch and just go. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Anyway, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.